Hello everyone. In this video, you will know that how you can make sure the two-step verification of your WhatsApp account. But if you are visiting our channel first time, then please do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon by clicking all so that you can get all the notification when we are uploading a new video on YouTube. Let's open the WhatsApp. You need to open on 3 points, press setting. You need to find account. Here is two-step verification. Let's check it. When you click on that, you need to enable. You can see for edit security, enable two-step verification, which will require a PIN when registering your phone number with WhatsApp again. So press enable. After that, we need to enter a 6-digit PIN, which you will be asked for when you register your phone number with WhatsApp. Okay, for example, I just put 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, again 1 2 3 4 5 6. It's okay. It's not important. We can skip. If you want to put your email, then you can, but I want to skip it. If you don't add email address and you forgot your PIN, you would not be able to re-register your phone number with WhatsApp. Okay, no problem. Two-step verification is enabled. Done. Here is two-step verification is enabled. You will need to enter your PIN when registering your phone number with WhatsApp. Okay, you can change the PIN by pressing here. Now you can also verify your account by pressing two-step verification. Okay, through this way you can enable your two-step verification. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and share it. Thank you very much. Bye.